video. Don't forget to
like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, hit that link in that bio.
period. Okay, y'all. In today's video, we will be doing the 100 nugget challenge mukbang. And as y'all can see, we got our nuggets. We got Kylie and Quintella with us today. And y'all, how we gonna do it is we're gonna try to eat these nuggets in 10 minutes, all of us, because I know, I can't do this stuff by myself. So we got Kylie and Quintella to help us, and we're gonna see if we can finish these nuggets in 10 minutes. And if we can't, oh well, we tried. So we got the timer set for 10 minutes, and y'all, we're gonna get right into this video and see if we can finish these nuggets in 10 minutes. We ain't gonna cheat. So I'm finna start the timer.
Are you more? Get set.
Go. We gonna gotta do this. I'm cool. You cool. See, I ain't even finished my first nugget. Take your time too, kids. Yeah, if we finish these nuggets, I'm gonna be surprised. We got our sauces, barbecue, sweet and sour. Y'all kids take our time.
It's a lot.
How many nuggets you ate?
I ate about 3.
Quintella, how many nuggets you ate? I ate 6. You ain't no 6 nuggets.
I'm not lying. I'm for real.
I don't know how many. I'm already getting full. That ain't make no sense. And we gonna try to, and see, I ain't drinking nothing because they gonna make me full quick.
I ate 4.
Boo, you just ate 4. Y'all getting full? I am. Y'all, these are a lot of nuggets. The 100 nuggets, y'all know there's 5 20-piece chicken nuggets from McDonald's. 5 20-piece.
Oh, not bad. Jamie. We thought he was something up here, man.
I'm messing with Quintella. Let me stop playing like that, y'all, for real.
Right. She good, y'all.
Boom, don't play. No, I didn't play like that. You
good.
I'm gonna need some water or something. And then you said saying Jamie, but you ain't trying to hit me in the back a little. You know what I'm saying? You got choking. Why you ain't try to, you the type that just sit there and let me die. I see that now.
I wouldn't let her die.
No, you wasn't doing nothing. What was you doing?
I
was tapping on your mama, but
I knew she was faking already.
Y'all ain't know that. I don't know how many we done ate, y'all. But y'all see, there's still quite a few in here. I'm about to say, what the time is? No, it's still locking up. We got 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Oh, Lord. Come on, y'all, we gotta eat. I don't even know if anybody that ever won this challenge.
I didn't eat about 8.
If they had that great day of G.
You okay, baby?
What?
I think 1. Now I'm eating my ninth one.
I don't know how many I done ate. We at 6 minutes. Come on. 5 to 8. I'm so proud of y'all kids. Y'all eating these nuggets. I thought y'all just gonna be able to eat 6 and be through it. You can't get nothing to drink because you're gonna get full. I mean, but if you just want to drink something, you can. These nuggets good too. Biscuit, you want to help us eat these nuggets?
You want?
Where you at?
Right here. Biscuit, come and get a nugget.
Let me give him this one.
You know you gotta chop his stuff up.
Come on. Help. I'm on my 10th one. Help. Help us. I'm on my 10th one. Boy.
Kyle, come on. We need your help eating these nuggets.
I need something to drink.
Get you something.
Got it.
You gonna get full.
18.
Nah,
I just got those 9. I'm back. I'm starting on 11.
I don't know how many left, but who's it? They gotta be yours.
Biscuits.
Okay, you gonna eat it. Let me tell you how many nuggets you ate.
No, now.
You full?
Hurry up and win after these nuggets.
Ooh, what the time is? Are you getting full?
A little bit. At 8 miles.
We'll be at 4 minutes. Come on, Coachella. Come on. Come on. Dang. What's wrong, baby?
You okay?
Yeah, we gonna count them.
I'm 13.
Yeah,
I'm 13 one too.
Y'all just saying something.
No, I ain't 13.
Oh, I'm getting full.
I can't do this.
I bet y'all say I keep saying that. I've been full.
Go get me some water.
You hold that water right there.
I don't care if it made me more food.
Y'all think we gonna make it?
Ooh, my stomach is.
Did Biscuit eat his nuggets? Give him another piece.
Yeah, he down there. He got it.
We need him to help.
This is down here muffin these little things.
But I tell you one thing, these will be leftovers.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Oh, y'all, we at 2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Oh, no.
Quit that.
I am. Yeah. I'm cleaning up.
Oh.
I can't eat it. Enough time. I ate 14.
Well, help.
I ate 14 so far.
Don't overdo it, baby. You can't handle it.
I don't think I can eat. I'm doing this for the J. Renee game. I don't think I can eat no.
She said she doing this for the J. Renee game. Say go, night, go, night, go.
We got 1 more minute left. 1 minute left, Jay. I think this is going to make my last. I am full.
Oh my God.
We almost done.
Biscuit, where you at?
I don't read another. I ate 15.
Y'all, we probably ain't gonna finish, but I think we did good.
My stomach hurt.
Well, don't eat no more, baby. Don't eat no more.
I'm doing it for that.
Nah, you gonna stop.
Woo! We got 12.
It's over with. We got 1 minute. 1 minute and 3 seconds. And most of the time, it be 2 people doing this challenge. I don't see how they do it. Like, this is just too much.
We are almost done. Oh, ew.
Y'all don't eat no more, my baby. It's okay.
Okay.
35 seconds.
Honey, y'all, we got good for now.
I think we did pretty good.
I'm getting full.
Looks like you fooled, man.
19.
Bro, don't do that. You got food in there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Put it out, okay. Okay, y'all. We did the best that we could do. Let's count the nuggets, see how many we had out of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we had 17 nuggets left out of 100. 17 nuggets. Yeah. And we made sure we didn't eat before we did this, but I don't care. Like, you still get full. Can I get some of your water?
I don't care.
So, yeah, 17 nuggets left.
Almost
No, I
done.
ate 83 nuggets.
So that means we ate 83 nuggets. That's a lot of nuggets. That is a lot of nuggets. We ate 83 nuggets, y'all. 83. So we did good. Applaud yourself. If y'all think we did good, give this video a thumbs up. And if y'all want to see more challenges from the Jones Girls featuring Kylie and Quintella, also give this video a thumbs up. Comment below what y'all want to see more, or if y'all just want to see us, period. And also, me and Quintella, we're going to do another challenge. I can't wait for y'all to see that. I might post it tonight with this video, or I might post it tomorrow. But stay tuned. And one more time. Go, Nay, Nay, go, Nay, Nay, go. Jamie.
It's a good day.
Say go, Nay, Nay, go, Nay, Nay, go.
Go, nay, nay, go, nay, nay, go.
Hey. Okay, y'all. In this video, let me show y'all what we're going to be doing in this challenge. It's going to be Jay and Kylie, and it's going to be me and Quintella against each other. And y'all, basically, you do rock, paper, scissors, best out of 3. And whoever wins, that person get to put this Coke with these Mentos in it, and the person that have to, they gotta stand behind, they gotta hold their hands like that. Come up so they can see you. Hold your hands like that, and they have to open their mouth, and I get to put this up in her face while after I've been to put the Mentos in there. And she can't move, she gotta take it like a G.
I'm gonna take it like a G. I'm gonna
The
take
kids
it like
claim they want to do it too, y'all. So we're gonna let them go first. Then we're gonna do it around. Then we're gonna do it around. We'll see if they'll stick in it, because I don't know if they're gonna be able to handle it or not. But yeah, basically that's how this challenge go, y'all. I got this from a YouTube couple named Taekwon and Asia. So let's get right to this challenge. Jay and Kylie gonna go first, then me and Quintella. And like I said, the best out of 3, rock, paper, scissors. So, let's get to it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got you.
Okay, that's 1 point for Jay. Y'all gotta go again. Remember, the best out of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, Kylie, she get to do you first. Okay, Jay got the best out of 3. Hold up, Kylie, come over here.
Change your shirt or nothing?
No, she good. She got plenty of the camera can see y'all.
Can you open this for me?
Okay. I'ma open
can
this.
Can you stand right there? I'm gonna stand right for you. Can you stand right there for everyone?
Jay, once you put the Mentos in there, you have to go on and like.
How much do I put? One?
Yeah, you can do one for y'all. But you Quintella gonna do two. You gotta go on and put it in her face. You can't move. You gotta take it like, man, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? They signed up for it.
Can I do like this?
Yeah, you gotta open your mouth. You gonna stand like here, open your mouth. Jay, y'all turn sideways. Turn sideways so the camera can see you. Once you put it in, Jay, Kyle, come up closer. Once you put it in there, Jay, go on and what's Kyle?
You ready?
You gotta try to get it in her face real good.
Hey. You ready?
We know this gonna make a big mess, but you know it is what it is. It's all fun and games, ho. You know what I mean? Okay. The best out of three with me and Quintella. I pray I get her. I'ma drown her ass. I'ma drown her. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, you got one. She got the paper. You got the paper. Did you do paper?
Yeah, I did. I'll copy out film. I was watching them.
You got the paper though.
Okay.
Right. So that's 1 point for you.
The paper is one
Yeah.
point for me.
Cause the paper cover up the rock.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One. There's 1 point for me. The scissors, the rock bang the scissors.
Oh, okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got that ass! Got that ass! It's over with, bro. It's over with, bro.
I keep taking like a G, man.
Yeah, it's over with, bro. Move.
I'm trying to get
Huh? It's okay, honey. I'm going right home after this. I got a change.
You got this? This is gonna be hard, y'all.
Open your mouth and take it like a G, cause I'm finna drown that ass. I'm finna drown that ass, boy. And you can't move. She's taking it like a G, y'all.
I told you I took it like a G.
She did. She took that like a G,
I
bro.
took it like a G.
But you probably had your mouth open though. Okay, it's round 2 for these two. They're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, best out of 3. Let's get it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, there's 1
Rock,
point.
paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, Jay, she got you, girl. She got you.
Man.
She
Hey,
got you.
G, hold your hands behind your arm, baby. Be prepared and ready. Come
Hold
on.
on.
Wait.
Stay in the camera, boom.
Wait. Don't
Come on.
put it yet.
You gotta wait till she. I'm about to say, don't do it yet till she.
Wait, I ain't ready. Yeah, you gotta get up closer. Wait.
Jay, just stand there, baby. It's
Come on, boom. You got her. She got to
got
get you.
for
Get
that
right here. Get right here on tap. Okay, you stay right there. Hold on.
You gotta get up close on her.
Wait. I gotta put my hands through. Yeah, I'm doing it for the Gemini gang. I'm gonna do it for y'all. And it's all I gotta say.
Okay, go ahead.
Come on.
She gonna do it.
Jay.
Come on, Jay. That's enough. She need a towel.
I need towel.
My baby dramatic, y'all.
Hold on, DP. I'm coming.
Ooh, shit.
Yeah.
Do we have to do
Ooh,
it
yeah.
again? Do we have to do it again?
Me, you gonna do it more than what they
All
do.
right. Okay.
But we gonna do it how we do it, you know. If you lose again. Now y'all go get in the shower.
She got something in my nose, y'all.
Go get in the shower. Just take the stuff off and get in the shower. Both of y'all get in there at the same time.
It was good. Hey, take that good one. Okay. Woo!
Round 2 for us, y'all.
What you doing? Hurry up. Get out the way. I'm gonna have to just edit this out. Go get in the shower.
Whoa, look, that had extra things on. Yeah. That ain't over here.
Okay, y'all, it's round 2 for me and Quintella. Hopefully I get her again. I get her again. But she took it like a G. I can't lie. She took it like a G, y'all. She took it like a G. Now, me on the other hand, I'll probably be dramatic, but it is what it is. Let's get it.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I got them scissors.
Okay.
You did scissors, the rock got you. You got it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you got me that time. The paper. Okay. Whew, scared. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, she got me out. Oh, fuck, bruh. She got me, man. She got me. I had to take this shit like a...
I'm sorry, Prince.
Hey, give me. I got two. Give me good. It's all right.
How many you put it in there, too?
Yeah, I put two in yours.
Okay.
There they go.
Let me know when you ready. Let me know when you ready. How you want to stand?
And stand like we were standing.
How you...
Let me take a breath, man. Take it. Oh! You ready?
Yeah. Let me know when
I'm
you're
scared,
ready.
man.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. Okay.
Let me know when you're ready.
Hold on, I feel like something crawling on me. Okay. I'm probably gonna get choked.
Your mama took it like a G. Here, I'm tapping you right. Yeah, me and her took it like a G.
Snap,
Me and her took it like a G.
bruh. Man, y'all, this crazy. Don't do this at home. Oh, snap.
You need another one. Go ahead.
We're gonna do one more.
Okay.
We got one more pop.
Okay.
Woo, shit. I can hit this part. Okay, y'all, we're gonna make this the last round because we're making a big mess up in here.
Yeah.
Hopefully I get her. You know, she got me, I got her.
I'ma let
So,
her
you know
get
what
me.
I'm saying?
I'ma let her
Nah,
get me.
you ain't gonna let me get you, but I'm gonna take her like a G. You ready?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes.
Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom. Got that ass again.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna take it like a G. You feel me? I'm gonna take it like a G.
Y'all, my eyes is burning,
I'm
bro.
gonna take it like a G.
My eyes is burning.
She did me the first time. I didn't move. I just let it keep going.
It's so sticky.
I hope y'all. I'm not scared, y'all.
I bet y'all say there's a lot of coke going away, but it is what it is. Guess what? I got three.
Oh.
It's time to make it to bed. Yeah, hold your mouth open. Hold your mouth open. You ready for this? You ready for this?
Hold on. Shit. She going with Okay, come on.
Okay. One. Yeah, hold your mouth open. Hold your mouth open. Hold your motherfucking mouth open. Look at that shit. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. I get that. You still took it like a G, bro. We took it like a G. Hey, y'all, this crazy. This crazy. We still got pop left, though. But that's it, because we
Up for the night. We making a lot of men.
Yes. Get this camera. Y'all, my house is empty right now, because I done sold my furniture and stuff. If y'all wondering why it's empty. Y'all, look at the floor. Y'all see this? Man, that's crazy. That is so crazy. Kylie and Jay. My babies, y'all. No, go ahead. They getting in the shower, y'all. It is what it is. Go ahead. Go on and get in the shower. One at a time. Get in the shower. But yeah, y'all, this was the rock, paper, scissors, Coke's challenge, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
Y'all, this was fun. If y'all want to see some more challenges or y'all know some challenges that y'all, want us to do, let us know. This was fun, for real
It was
talk.
fun. I took it like a G.
Hey, look, we sticky as hell, but you gonna help me clean up?
Huh?
You gonna help me clean up?
Yes, I'm gonna help my girl clean clean up.
Cause I mean, don't do
I'm
that.
not gonna leave it without that.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna make her do it all.
Yeah,
But
we gonna help
yeah,
you clean up.
this what's up, y'all.
Peace, y'all.
Jay Renee say go, nay, nay, go.